Hey everyone, Neil with Love Your Shave, and I want to do a kind of a Christmas shave tonight with my straight razor. I'm going to use a Case Red Imp, nice red color, and I'm going to use my Ever-Ready green and black replica that Leo Frillo made for me, or Frillo, however you pronounce his name. And we're going to use some Soap Commander Vision soap. Got it in Monica Gilliam's little honeycomb scuttle here, so we're gonna mix that up, and I'm gonna top it off with some green Brut Aftershave. So saw this at Target today, and I picked up this, and I picked up some Cremo shave cream. I want to try this, and it smells pretty good, but I want to try it and see on another shave. But for now, I was rearranging my shave den, and I wanted to try out this Soap Commander that somebody sent me. I haven't tried it yet, but it's Soap Commander Vision. So we'll be doing, like I said, the Brut, the Soap Commander, the Case Red Imp, and the Ever-Ready green and black replica knockoff. So we're going to go ahead and get lathered up, and we'll get this shave started. Man, whoever makes this shave soap, this Soap Commander, wow, this is really good stuff. Lathers really well. I like the scent. It's kind of dull on this, but I mean, it's a nice. It's not a unpleasant scent by no means. It's a nice scent. Again, it's Soap Commander Vision. But man, what a nice scent, and a good feel on the face too. Okay, so again, we're going to be using the Case Red Imp. And we're going to go ahead and get this straight razor shave going. And I love this razor. And guys, if you're watching my channel, you're going to see me I'm going to switch back and forth between straight razor and DE razors, because I like both. Haven't quite yet mastered the straight razor like some of these great guys have, but I still nonetheless love shaving with it. And you're going to see me do every other or every third shave with one. Just haven't quite learned how to hone them yet, and that's why I don't shave with them every day, because that can get expensive. It can get expensive if you have to send them off. No, I get it. You're paying for the expertise of the honer and their time, so I understand. I think the going rate, I think I pay $25 a hone from where I get mine honed from. Mr. Mark Dayock at Daddy D Wet Shave. And it's about time to hone this imp too. I mean, it's not tugging or anything, but I'm so used to this thing just mowing down the whiskers. Okay, so that's pass one. And let's go ahead and lather up for pass two. So we're going to do across the green in this one, like we always do. Nice. I'm gonna go across. This is always a booger for me because I'm not left-handed. Shave up. Man, that's nice. All right. And that's pass number two. Once again. Let's do the fool's pass. Nice. All right. 3-pass straight razor shave. Now comes the fun part. I picked up some Thayers, a small travel size Thayers witch hazel at Target today. I think it was like $4. This is the cucumber melon. I'm gonna try that out tonight. Feels great. Splash that on the face. And then we're gonna put on the Brut green. Gosh, this brings back memories of I want to say it was probably in junior high. I used to have the deodorant, the spray deodorant of this. And I think my dad used some of this too. Let's see how it feels on the skin. Actually, not bad at all. Nice. Nice feel to the skin. And good, just manly smell to it. I mean, gosh, it smells good. I mean, Brut is surprising. I know that the price went up on the red and the blue. I guess because you can't get them anymore, or they're not making them anymore, but there's some people that are still selling them. But man, this is a really nice scent. So that was a great shave for a Wednesday evening. I call that my Christmas shave, or my pre-Christmas shave, with some really good products. Taking it back real old school with the straight razor. And again, I want to thank you guys for watching my videos, any support, liking my channel, subscribing. I'm trying to do some really neat things. I'm no expert by no means. I just love to shave. It's become a passion of mine, as you can see, and I'm looking to try. I like trying different things and experimenting, and then sharing them with the shave community too. So again, guys, I want to, and ladies, if you're watching, I want to thank you for watching my videos, and love your shave. Take care. Have a great night. Bye-bye.